Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to change password on MEXC account. So for changing password, first you need to open MEXC app on your mobile phone. Then at the top left corner, you have this profile icon, click on it. Then here you can see the option of security, go there. And you get the option of password, click on it. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Remember that withdrawal will be prohibited for 24 hours after changing password. So here first you need to enter your old password and then create new password for your MEXC account and then re-enter new password just for confirmation. So this is the easiest and simplest way to change password on MEXC. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any question regarding to it, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.